ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Yes. So we did up to the 40th sentence. Now 41. Archakaha tirtam dadataha upavishanti. Meaning is
The worshippers sit down.
tirtam dadataha. Archakaha pujakaha. Pujaris. So tirtam dadataha. Okay. Ke upavishanti.
Archakaha upavishanti.
Kidrishaha archakaha.
Tirtham dadataha archakaha.
Tirtam dadataha. They give tirtha. That abhisheka jalam. Tirtam dadataha. So dadataha dhatu is
Dhatu.
which conjugation?
Third
conjugation yugotyad, and we saw third conjugation will not take no business. Therefore dadat dadato dadataha, right? So therefore dadataha, for which the karma is dana kriya. Karma is tirtam. That is not a kriya karma for upavishanti, and it cannot be also because upavishanti is akarmaka dhatu, right? Therefore kim dadataha archakaha upavishanti tirtam dadataha we can say. Now let us with karmani. Upavishanti will become
Upavishyate.
Dhatu is vish dhatu. Vish plus yak plus te. Therefore upavishyate. Kaihi or kena. Kaihi upavishyate.
Archakaihi.
Archakaihi. And it should be qualified, and it is qualified by the word Shatranta word, dadataha. Therefore that will become
Kurvitbihi.
Kurodbihi.
Dadadbihi.
Dadadbihi. Dadadbihi. Kim dadadbihi.
Tirtham dadadbihi.
Tirtam. So tirtam dadadbihi. Archakaihi upavishyate. Right? Similarly, विद्यार्थिनः शिक्षेभ्यः दिव्यतः गृहपाठं समापनं कुर्वन्ति. What is the meaning? कुर्वन्ति. के कुर्वन्ति?
विद्यार्थिनः कुर्वन्ति.
किं कुर्वन्ति?
गृहपाठं समापनं.
समापनं कुर्वन्ति. गृहपाठं समापनं. गृहपाठस्य समापनं would be proper. Otherwise, That is Dvitiya. And Samapanam also is this. Grihapatam Samapayati, we can say, or Grihapatasya Samapanam Kurvanti. That would be proper. Okay. So, Kim Kurvanti, Samapanam Kurvanti. Kasya Samapanam Kurvanti?
गृहपाठस्य
Grihapatasya. Grihapatasya Samapanam Kurvanti. Only answer to the point. Other things will come. कीदृशः विद्यार्थिनः?
बिभ्यतः विद्यार्थिनः
Vidyarthinah with Pratama Vibhakti. Therefore, Vibhyatah also has to be,
समाविभक्ति
it is also belongs to third conjugation. Therefore, it has a duplication. Dhatu is BB. So, what will be the declension?
बिभ्यत्
Vibhyat.
बिभ्यत् बिभ्यत
Vibhyat.
Vib-
Vibhyatau.
बिभ्यतः
Vibhyatah. Kebhyah Vibhyatah.
शिक्षेभ्यः बिभ्यतः
Then here what Karaka is Shikshaka.
शिक्षकेभ्यः
What Karaka is?
supplementary upapada.
No, it is not Upapada. How can be Upapada? Upapada means what is the Padam there?
It is fourth.
How can be fourth? Sampradana, huh?
No, it is not true. But
That
it
which
is
is
third. It is
Third.
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 शिक्षकेभ्यः
Vibhyatah.
Come on,
Ah,
Shikshakebhyah is
afraid of means Panchami.
no, this is wrong. Panchami. But that is not a way to think also. Afraid of and all. No. That is wrong actually. Karaka should be it's English translation preposition way. You cannot do it. You will end up in problem. And this time is okay. It is not Tritiya. Okay. How can it be Tritiya?
No, sorry, Guruji.
Tritiya would be Ramaihi, Shikshakaihi, right? The form itself is not there, ruled out. Either it has to be Chaturthi or Panchami.
Panchami.
This is a Karaka Vibhakti for the Kriya. What is the Kriya? Not for the Kurvanti.
बिभ्यत
Vibheti.
बिभेति
Vibheti. So, Kasmad Vibheti. That's what it is. Kasmat is Ekavachanam. Bhagavachanam Kebhyaha. That's why as Kebhyaha Vibheti. Kebhyaha Vibheti. Afraid of whom? That which is from which you are afraid, that also apadana only. Apadana karaka. That from which you are afraid. Don't say afraid of. Afraid of is okay. Afraid of means office. Should we use Shashti Bhakti? No. That is not a thing. If I said English preposition, if you take, you will end up in problem. Ask question, get answer. Bibeti, kaha bibeti. Kaha bibeti, bibyati. Bibyati. Kaha ke bibyati, vidyatina bibyati. Kasmat or kebhyah bibyati, shikshakebhyah bibyati. Therefore, shikshaka is apadana, afraid. English afraid of. That from which you are afraid of. That will be apadana, apadana karaka, apadanatvat panchami. Okay. So afraid of, the English translation is afraid of. Okay. But don't take off means it is a shashti. So that is wrong. That orientation, the orientation people learn in Sanskrit in the beginning. Later they struggle to correct that. Very difficult. I never teach like that also. I never taught you also like that. I always ask you to ask question to the Kriyapada and get answer. Kaha, kam, kena, kasmai, kutaha, kasmat. Then kutra. You ask, you get the answer. Simple. Why should unnecessary trouble with the preposition? English prepositions. So, Shikshaka is the apadana karaka for the Kriya B Dhatu, which is in Shatranta Rupam, qualifying the Karta of the main Kriya here, Kurvan. Understand? So, now the translation would be
समापनं क्रियते
completed.
विद्यार्थी
Afraid of teachers. Students completed their homework. Completed the homework. That's simple.
बिभ्यद्भिः विद्यार्थिभिः
No, that will do it. But the translation of this sentence is students completed the homework out of fear for the teachers. Oh, yeah. Karmani would be kurvanti become
Kriyate.
karma is samapanam. Therefore, samapanam
Kriyate.
kriyate. Kaihi
Vidyarthiभिः.
vidyarthiभिः. What is pratipadikam?
Vidyarthin.
Vidyarthin. कीदृशैः विद्यार्थिभिः.
बिभ्यद्भिः विद्यार्थिभिः.
Exactly. बिभ्यद्भिः. केभ्यः बिभ्यद्भिः. That will be केभ्यः only.
शिक्षकेभ्यः बिभ्यद्.
शिक्षकेभ्यः बिभ्यद्भिः विद्यार्थिभिः समापनं क्रियते. If you do sandhi, we are not doing sandhi. If you have to do sandhi also. If you do sandhi, what will the form? With sandhi. That is one sentence I will do with sandhi. Join all the words.
विद्यार्थिभिः समापनम्.
Okay. Vidyarthibhis samapanam. Anuswara followed by a letter parasavanaha also possible. This can be replaced by Nyakara. Okay. Vidyarthibhis samapanam griyate. Then what about other?
विसर्ग शिक्षकेभ्यः विसर्ग drops.
Drops. How does it drop? Sarga, that is in the place of Ru only, preceded by A, followed by Vakara, which is an oscillator.
Vakara becomes.
What happens here? Shikshakebhyo. Utta Sandhi it is. Sandhi, I think I've forgotten. Shikshakebhyo. Then Bibyadbihi Vidyarthi. Yes, what Sandhi? Ru is the Repa. That will remain as it is. Nothing will happen. Shikshakebhyo Vidyarthibhis samapanam kriyate. This will be like this. It will look like this. You do Sandhi of all the words. But Sandhi, I think you are not remembering Sandhi. Why? Utta Sandhi and all important. Okay. Abhimaninaha pakshasya dvajam apaneshu badrantaha agre gachanti. Abhimaninaha pakshasya dvajam apaneshu badrantaha agre gachanti. What does it mean? You will see this in where? Which time?
Election time.
Yes. So what does it mean? Then the sentence translation is
The
Ke gachanti. Okay, let me ask. Ke gachanti.
Abhimaninaha gachanti.
Abhimaninaha, what is the pratipadika?
Abhimani.
What does it mean? Who has got Abhimana? Who is belong to a party?
Party worker.
Taking sides, right? The Karika, of course, Karyakarta here, party worker, Abhimaninaha, because belongs to party. Kim kurvanti, ke kurvanti, I mean, okay, Kim kurvanti te
Agre
gachanti. They go forward, right? Kidrishaha Abhimaninaha Badnantaha. Badnantaha. Kim Badnantaha Abhimaninaha.
Dvajam badnantaha.
Dvajam is a karma for Badnati. Right? Badnanti. Kim Badranti, Dvajam Badranti. Kutra Badnanti. Kasya Dvajam. So Dvaja is a karma for Badana Kriya. Apana is the Adhikanam for the Badana Kriya. Pakshasya, that is, it's not a karaka, it is connected to Dvaja. Pakshasya Dvajam Apaneshu. Therefore, you have to cut this and put it before Abhimanina. Pakshasya Dvajam Apaneshu Badrantaha Abhimaninaha Agre Gachanti. Tying the party flag, they go forward. Now, right? Karmani would be
Gamyate.
Yes. Gamyate. Kutra gamyate. Agre gamyate. That agre will be agre only. Okay. Kaihi agre gamyate.
Manipihi.
Abhimanibhi.
Badnatpihi abhimanipihi.
Yes. Badnantaha. Badnati which gana?
Third.
Third.
Hmm.
By seeing that, you should be able to say this is a duplication.
No. No.
Not duplication. How can you say third?
Badri.
I said Badnati also.
Nam.
No is
Ninth conjugation it is.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Badnan, Badnantau, Badnantaha. Therefore, Tritiya would be
Badnatpihi.
Badnati. Badnadvihi. Kim Badnadvihi?
Vajam.
Vajam.
Pakshasya Dvajam Apaneshu Badnadvihi. That will be remain as it is. Pakshasya Dvajam Apa Aneshu Badnadvihi Abhimanivihi Agre Gamyate. Saha Karyam Kartum Shaknonati Tushnim Tishtati. What does it mean?
Saha
Kaga Tishtati?
Saha tishtati.
Saha Tishtati. Saha Katam Tishtati. Kim Kurvan Tishtati. Katam Tishtati.
Tushnim tishtati.
Tushnim is just a Tushni, not doing
Quite.
anything. Quite
Quietly.
indeclinable.
Hmm.
Then Kidrishaha Saha.
Karyam kartum shaknuvan saha.
So Shaknuvan, whenever Shak is there, Kartum also will be used.
Yeah.
Able to. Kartum Shaknuvan.
Hmm.
Able to do what? Kim
Karyam
Kartum. Karyam Kartum. So Karyam is the karma for Kartum. Okay,
kartum.
please note.
Hmm.
Kartum is Tumananta. So translation is
He stands quietly.
in spite of able to do the work, right?
Hmm.
Karyam Kartum Shaknanati. In spite of being able to do,
Do the work.
he
He stands
remains quiet.
quiet. Hmm.
So how the Karmani Tishtati?
Sthiyate. Tena tushnim sthiyate.
Yes. Tena Tushnim Tiyat. Kidrishaha Saha. Kidrishaha Tena
Karyam kartum shaknuvata tena.
Shaknuvata. Shaknu. What is the dhatu?
Shabdat.
Which gana? Fifth
Nukara.
conjugation.
Nikara.
Fifth conjugation. Shaknu. I taught you the rule also in the beginning.
Yes.
Third.
Shaknoti, Shaktutaha, Shaktuvanti.
Hmm.
Right? Shaknuvan, Shaknoti. Okay. So, Karyam Kartum Shaknuvata Tena Tushtim Stiyate. Right?
Hmm.
Next sentence. Shankaraha Pradeshika Bhasham Janan. Okay. He Swamatra Bhashaya Mutram Dadat. Pradeshika Bhasha is
Regional language.
Pradesha, Pradeshika, Tadita.
So in spite of
Swamatra
being
Bhashaya
regional-
Utram Dadat. Answer the translation you can understand. The sentence you can understand. Translation is easy.
Hmm.
Kaha Dadati, but still we will ask question and get Kaha Dadati,
Shankara dadati.
Shankara dadati.
Kim Dadati,
Uttaram dadati.
Uttaram dadati.
Kaya Bhashaya, Kaya
Swamatru-bhashaya.
Swamatrubhashaya.
Swamatra Bhashaya. Kidrishaha Saha, Shankaraha,
Janan saha.
Janan Saha. Right? Kam Janan.
Pradeshik bhasham janan.
He knows the Pradeshika Bhasha. Though he knows, he speaks in mother tongue. Which, he gives answer in his mother tongue. Now, Karmani would be Dadati,
Diyate.
Diyate. Karma is
Uttaram.
Taram, which is in Ekavacham, therefore Diyate. Otherwise, it would not be Diyate. depending on the karma. Uttarani means diyante. Uttaram diyate. Kena?
Shankarena.
Shankarena uttaram diyate. Kidrishaha Shankaraha?
Janata Shankara.
Janata Shankaraha. Kam Janata?
Pradeshik Bhasham.
Pradeshika Bhasha.
He knows the regional language. Pradeshika Bhasham. That will remain as it is. Jutiya Bhakti only. Karmakaraka for Nyadatu. That is Janata. Pradeshika Bhasham Janata Shankarena.
Swamatra Bhasha.
Swamatra Bhasha. That will remain
As it is.
as it is. Swamatra
Bhasha.
Bhashaya Eva Uttaram Dadati. Right?
Mhm.
Now do the Sandhi. Start from the end. Uttaram Diyate becomes Uttaram Diyate.
Nakara.
Tarandiyate.
Then
Followed by U.
becomes
U.
Wo.
Oh,
A plus A.
Yavatam. I.
Therefore become I.
Bhashayaiva.
Bhashayaiva.
Shankarena Swa. Nothing is there. Janata. Here also nothing is there. Here Anuswara followed by
Bhashan.
replaced by Nakara.
Mhm.
Shankara Bhashan Janata Shankarena Swabhatra Bhashai Vottara Diyate. Be like this, Shankara Bhashya. You have to split understand. Okay. So the next sentence. Sarve Nutanan Anubhavan Prapnuvantaha Karya Shrenyam Agre Gachanti. Translation. Gachanti. Ke.
Sarve.
Sarve
Putra Gachanti. They move forward. They go.
Mhm.
Agre. Progress.
Hmm.
What is, Kutra? Kutra Agre Gachanti.
Karya
Karya
What is Karya Shrenya?
in the work
Class.
The rank. Karya Shreni. Then the Karya Shreni. Shreni is rank, right?
Mhm.
The work class, the work rank. Karya Shrenyam Agre Gachanti. In their promotion, huh?
Mhm.
Class,
Yeah.
going from one to. So
Karya
Karya Shrenyam Agre Gachanti. Kidrishaha Sarve Te.
Nutanan Anuphavan Prapnuvantaha Sarve.
Getting new experience. Nutana Anubhavan Prapnuvantaha Sarve. Karya Shrenyam, their work, the Shreni, the rank, they move forward, they go upward. They progress. No, Karmani would be Gachanti.
Agre Gamyate.
Agre Gamyate.
Gamyate.
Kaihi
Sarvaihi.
Sarvaihi. Sarvaihi. Putra.
Karya Shrenyam remains as it is.
That will remain as because it is. That is not a karma or karta. It will remain as it is. Adhikarana. Then Kidrishaha.
Prapnuvata.
So Prapnuvata. Put it there. Prapnu Kidrishaihi Sarvehi. Prapnu Vadbihi.
Prapnuvatihi.
Prapnuvadbihi. This is all the fifth conjugation. Apnuvat. Nu
Hmm.
is there, right? Fifth conjugation. And they Kim Prapnoti. Yar Kan Prapnoti. Nutanan.
Nutanan Anuphavan.
Anubhavan Prapnoti. Kidrishan Anubhavan. Nutana Anubhavan. Nutana is an adjective to Anubhava. New experience. Nutanan Anubhavan Prapnuvadbihi Sarvehi Karyashchenyam Agre Gamyate. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. Then 46. Panguhu Dandam Garnan Marge Chalati. Simple. Kaha Chalati.
Panguhu Chalati.
Kutra Chalati.
Marge Chalati.
Marge is Pati.
Hmm.
The path.
Hmm.
Kidrishaha Panguhu.
Dandam.
Grannan Panguhu. Kim gृह्णाति, kam
Dandam
gृह्णाति,
gृह्णाति.
dandam gृह्णाति. So
Hmm.
dandam gृह्णन् panguhu marge chalati. Karmani would be
Chalyate.
chalyate.
Chalyate. Panguna.
Kaihi, kena,
Panguna.
panguna. Panguna chalyate. Kidrishena panguna.
Grihata. Gृह्णता.
Grinnan is a grinnan, grinnanto, grinnantaha, grinnantam, grinnanto, grinnataha, grinnata. Grinnata panguna.
Dandam
Kam
granata.
grinnati, dandam.
Dandam.
Stick. Dandam grinnata panguna. Putra
Marge. Marge cha.
marge
Marge
chalyate.
chalyate.
That you can put it here, marge chalyate. Right. Nartakaha padayoho kinkinim badran shigram davati. Kaha davati?
नर्तकः धावति.
Katham davati atava katham
Shigram.
shigram. Because the adverbial here. Shigram is adverb. Okay. It's not karma.
Hmm.
Adverb to
Dhavati.
in Kriya Visheshanam. Okay. Adverb.
Hmm.
Shigram, quickly. Ly, adverb.
Hmm.
Kidrishaha nartakaha.
किङ्किणीं बध्नन् नर्तकः.
Kinkinim badra. Kutra badnati. I
पादयोः.
mean, not kutra. Padayoho. Okay. Padayoho you can say. Kutra only. So this is what vibhakti is. Saptami. Right? Shashti or Saptami? It cannot be Shashti. Huh?
ఇది సప్తమి.
Padayoho. Saptami. Having tied the kinkini in the legs. Adhikarana would be proper. Okay. For the Badna Kriya. That's why I asked Kutra, I mean Kayoho. You have to ask, Kutra is okay. Kutra Badnati. Kinkini. Kutra Badnati Saha. Padayoho. You have to say. That will be the answer, right? That's why I say, you always ask question, get the answer. Otherwise, Shashti means a problem. No? You can't ask this question, get the answer. If it's Shashti, Pada and Kinkini are connected. No. Kutra Badnati, Padayoga Badnati. If it is Pada Kinkini, then it is okay. That is different. Right? So tying the Kinkini means the ankles, right? The leg, Nartaka, the dancer, he quickly jumps or runs, whatever it is. So now here, Karmani would be
नर्तकेन शीघ्रं धाव्यते.
Arthakena. Shigram will be Shigram only. Because it is adverbial, it is Avyavam. Arthakena. Shigram dhavyate. Kidrishena Nartakena.
किङ्किणीं बध्नता नर्तकेन
Ah.
शीघ्रं धाव्यते.
Badnata. Padayoho Kinkinim Badnata. Padayoho Kinkinim Badnata Shigram Dhavyate. Right? Dushta Bibyataha. Karmakaraha. Karya dosham karoti. Karya dosham means he does mistakes. Miss work. Karye, not karka. Karye dosham karoti. Sorry. He does a mistake in his work. A karmakaraha, a worker. What? How? Why? Out of
Fear, बिभ्यते.
out of fear. Dushtat means
Wicked.
yeah, out of the person who is a dushtaha, dushta purusha. Out of fear of him, she does a mistake in his work. Okay, kaha karoti, karma karoti.
कर्मकरः करोति.
Kam karoti, dosham karoti. Putra karya. Karya is karya. Karya means is adhikarana. Adhikarana means not physically adhikarana. It is. Karya in her work. Vishaya. In her work, job. Right? Vishaye. Karya Vishaye. In her work. Kidrishaha Saha Digyata. and Bibyat is there. Therefore, if Panchami is there, then what karaka? Dushta. Dushta is apadana, because fear is out of fear. So it will be, therefore, Dushta is
Apadana.
apadana karakam, therefore Panchami. Okay. Karmani would be kriyate.
Kriyate. Karma karena.
Kena
Karma karena.
karma karena. Kriyate, but dosham is there. Okay, that will become
Doshaha.
doshaha kriyate. Now here we can say karma karena. Karma karena doshaha kriyate. Kidrishena karma karena.
Bipyata karma karena.
Divyata karma karena. Doshaha kriyate. Doshaha karye kriyate. Karye doshaha kriyate, whatever it is. And dushta divya. That is dushta is the adhikarana for B kriya. Bhiti kriya. Dushta divyata karma karena doshaha karye kriyate. Right? Simple. Same sentence should have been English. When you have to do translation, you do it. Later we'll be doing it. Okay. So I'm giving all these things we are doing means the practice. Later we will do English to Sanskritam. That is very little challenging. Pita. See, when you have read also, you have to read properly. Like English, how do you read? You cannot say Pita Patantam, Balam Drishta Ashati. If you read, if you say like that, the listener will get confused also. That to pause between the words in the sentence also. Pita, that you have to pause. Patantam Balam Drishta, that you have to read together. Then only it makes sense, right? Otherwise, what will happen? Pita Patantam Balam Drishta Arshati. Then we get what is Pita Patantam?
Yes.
Because we are reading it together, right? So the listener will get naturally will connect it. You have to pause after Pita. Pita Patantam Balam Drishtva Arshati. Immediately the Arthaspuranam happens, right? So that's you have to read English also the same way. So Patantam Balam Drishtva. That is why we rearrange the words in the sentence. Patantam Balam Drishtva Pita Harshati, no problem. When we speak like that. It's better. Or if you want to make the listener not get confused or not understand, then you can speak like this. No problem. Okay. So Patantam Balam Drishtva Arshati is happy. Arshati. Akarma kadatu. Tushyati ityartaha, right? No karma. So father is happy seeing the son reading. Okay, now karmani would be
Pitra Rishyate.
yeah, dhatu is rish dhatu, very good. If you should not say rishyate. Kena pitra. Pitra rishyate. Ki drishena pitra.
Gar.
Bhattata.
Sorry, here we cannot say. Here no word, okay, don't say. Pita drishyate. Okay. Pita drishtva. Pita drishtva. The same model I'm writing. Pita, Pitra drishtva drishyate. Now, having seen drishtva pita drishyate, pita drishtva drishyate, then patantam balam is that will become
Patan Balaha.
cannot be. That will remain same as that only. Nothing will change. How will it change? Because balam is the karma for drishta. Pita pashyati, pita balam pashyati. Ki drisham balam, patantam balam. This we are not changing. We are changing the main kriya only. So, pitra drishyate only.
Pitra Rishyate.
Don't try to change this, huh? It will not change. It's a good sentence. Okay, which one you should change? You are important. Understand? Main kriya and the karaka corresponding to it. What karaka? Only karta and karma. So arshati is a kaha arshati. Arshati akarma kadatu. Only kaha. That cannot be come and all. Okay. Kaha arshati. Pitra arshyate. Kaha arshati. Pita arshati. Kaha kena arshyate. Pitra arshyate. Over. Karmani is done. After the remaining words, you have to put as it is. Patantam balam drishtva pitra hrishyate. Or pitta harshati. Okay, same. Janaha vanam gacchantam ramam alokya rudanti. Ke rudanti?
Janaha rudanti.
Janaha rudanti. Right? And karma for rudanti is?
No, there is no karma.
No, cannot be karma because crying is akarmaka dhatu. Like laughing, crying also akarmaka. Cannot take karma. But there is avalokya. What is avalokya? It is lyabanta. Having seen. Avapurvaka lok dhatu, then lyap pratyaya. That also we will see. It's all kridanta. Avyayam. Okay. Derived decline abilities. Avapurvaka lok dhatu, then lyap pratyaya. Avalokya. Having seen. So, janaha rudanti. Ke rudanti, janaha rudanti. Then, kim avalokya janaha rudanti?
Vanam gacchantam ramam avalokya.
So, ramam avalokya.
Avalokya.
Kidrisham ramam gacchantam anam gacchantam ramam. Having seen the Rama going to the forest, people are crying. Now, karmani would be, Rudu dhatu will become Buddhyate. Jaihi kena.
Janaihi.
So, janaihi. Karma not there. The whole bhave prayaga only. Okay. Janaihi rudyate. So, avalokya, that will remain avalokya. Right? And Vanam Gachantam Ramam? Same. That also we cannot change. Right? Because it is connected entirely to different Kriya. So that will not be changed. Vanam Gachantam Ramam Avalokya Janehi Rudyate. Same as the previous sentence. Don't try to make it Gachata, Ramayana and all. That will not happen. Next one. Arakshakaha Apaharantam Choram Badranti. Ke Badranti?
Arakshakaha Badranti.
Kam Badranti?
Choram.
Kidrisham Choram.
Apaharantam Choram.
Apaharantam is one who is robbing, right? Robbing thieves. Now, karmani would be, dhatu is badh.
Arakshakaihi badhyate.
Badhyate. Arakshakaihi badhyate. Kaha badhyate. See, question is, kaha badhyate? Choraha badhyate. Choraha is the karma which is in prathama vibhakti because karmani priya. So, kidrishaha choraha.
Apaharan choraha.
Very good. Apaharan choraha. Now we can say here, this is apaharan comes prathama vibhakti because it is karma originally. Therefore, here it is prathama vibhakti. Apaharan choraha arakshakaihi badhyate. Only one chora badhyate. If it is apaharan taha choraha badhyante, it will be. Okay. Saha patantam balam drishtva hasati. Kaha hasati?
Saha.
Saha drishtva hasati. Kim krutva drishtva. Suppose we want to ask question for drishtva. Kim krutva you have to ask. Kim krutva drishtva. Kim drishtva balam drishtva. Kidrisham balam patantam balam. Having seen the falling boy, Dasahi laughs. So karmani would be
Tena hasyate.
Tena asyate. Simple. Tena asyate. And drishtva will be patantam balam. They all will remain.
Yes, same.
Okay. Because they are not connected to the main kriya. Patantam balam drishtva tena hasyate. Right? Vyapnuvantam megam drishtva mayuraha nrityanti. All are nice sentence. If you by giving English anyway. Ke nrityanti mayuraha. Kim krutva nrityanti drishtva nrityanti. Kam drishtva
Megham drishtva.
Kidrisham megham.
Vyapnuvantam megham.
Meaning is so clear. Nrityante. Karmani would be
Mayuraihi nrityate.
Nrityate. Megha is the karma. Therefore, sorry, Megha can't become here. Here Mayurahi. Mayuraihi
Nrityate.
nrityate. Drishtva will be Drishtva Megham, that all will remain same. Yapnuvantam.
नृत्यते
Mayuraihi nrityate. Okay. Dhavantam mrugam Ramaha anusarati.
Ramah anusarati.
Ramah kaha anusarati? Ramaha. Kam anusarati?
Mrugam anusarati.
Kidrisham miham.
Dhavantam
धावन्तं मृगं
He follows the Rama follows the
deer.
running deer. Anusarati becomes
Anusriyate.
Srudhatu. What will happen to Srudhatu?
Anusariyate.
Saryate or Sriyate?
Sriyate.
Karmani. Kru becomes Griyate. Smru becomes Varyate. Kru becomes Riyate. This becomes Sriyate. Okay.
अनुस्रियते
Only when it is Ru is preceded by a conjunct, then only it is replaced by R. Otherwise, no. Okay. Then check. I think this is the form, as I know. I don't think any mistake in that. If any mistake is there, please check once your document. Let me. Because there may be some exception and all. I don't think so here in this case. So it has to be Sriyate only. Yeah, Sriyate. Anusriyate. Fine. Kena
रामेण
Ramena.
Ramena.
रामेण
And Anusriyate. Mrgam is
Mrugaha.
Mrgaha.
Dhavan Mrugaha.
Dhavan mrugaha.
So Dhavan Mrgaha Ramena Anusriyate. Nrityantam Mayuram Avalokya. Sarpaha
Palayanti.
Palayanti. Palayanti is runs
Ranana.
away. Runs away. Yeah. Run away. Right. Ke Palayanti.
Sarpaha.
Sarpaha.
Kim Krutva.
Avalokya.
Mayuram
Avalokya.
Avalokya.
Kim Krutva Avalokya. Yes, and Avalokya Drishta. Same thing. Object for that. Kam Avalokya.
Mayuram.
Kidrisham Mayuram.
Nrityam.
Mayuram.
Ask individually questions like that, you will get the answer. So Palayanti runs away. So Karmani would be
Palayat.
Sarpaihi palayate.
Palayate. Sarpaihi Palayate. Nityantam Mayuram, that will remain as it is. Nothing will happen. Nityantam Mayuram Avalokya. Sarpaihi Palayate. Okay. Because that Avalokya, not Avalokya.
मयूर
Then Navanitam Chorayantam Krishnam Gopi Babasti Nindati Bhatsyati, all same. Okay, Babasti in the third conjugation. Criticize, abuses, scolds. Nindati, first conjugation. Nindati, first conjugation. Dhatu is Nidhi, Ninda. Utsaya. Bhatsyati, 10th conjugation. Seeing that, yeah, you can see. Now, Kaha Nindati, Ka Nindati,
Gopi nindati.
Gopi Nindati, Nadi Shabda. Right? Gopi, Kam,
Krishna.
Kidrisham Krishnam,
Chorayantam.
चोरयन्तं कृष्ण
Kim Chorayantam Krishnam,
Navanitam
Navanitam Chorayantam. Now, Karmani would be Ninda to take. It will become Nindyate.
निन्द्यते
Kaya,
Gopya.
गोप्या
Gopya, Gopya. Kaha Nindyate.
Krishna.
कृष्ण निन्द्यते
Chorayan Krishna.
Yes. Chorayan Krishna. Kim Chorayan?
Navanitam Chorayan.
Navanitam Chorayan Krishna. Gopya
Nindyate.
Nindyate. Ye concept. Then Archayantam Bhakta. Bhaktam, sorry. Archayantam Bhaktam. Devaha Anugrunnati. Ashevadam Dadat. Anugrunnati. Kaha Anugrunnati?
Devah.
Kam Anugrunnati. Karma is a Bhaktam. For that, there is an Shatranta. Kidrisham Bhaktam.
Archayantam.
Archayantam. Karmani would be. Anugrunnati will become.
Devena anukruyate.
Dhatu is. Guru Garak Dhatu becomes Samprasana Grugyate. All those things which come to your mind immediately. Grugyate. Anugrugyate. Kena. Kaha Bhaktaha. Kena Deva.
Devena.
Archayan
Devena.
bhaktaha.
Archayan Bhaktaha. That's it. Archayan Devena Archayan Bhaktaha Nagrigyate. Right. Uttaram Ajanantam Chatram Guruhu Uttapayati. Uttapayati means made to stand on the bench. Pitikayam Upari Uttapayati. It causes the boy to stand. Therefore, Uttapayati, causative form. Stadatu. Stadatu, Vinottishtati, causative forms. Stapayati. Stapayati, right? Uttapayati, made to stand, caused to stand above. Right? Kaha Uttapayati Guruhu. Tam
Chatram.
Chatram. Kidrisham Chatram.
Ajanantam chatram.
Kim Ajanantam Uttaram.
Uttaram.
For that, Uttaram is a karma for Nyadatu, Ajanantam. Now, karmani would be Uttap. Very good. Uttapayati is there. What is the form?
Uttapayate.
No. Ut, stop.
Tap.
This is the Ut is Upasarga. Stop is a dhatu plus
Tapyate.
Uttapyate. Stapi is a dhatu. Stapi plus yak. When it follows, ni will go. Therefore, Uttapyate. Utstapyate. Uttapyate, in fact, this takara, sakara also, here also. It becomes Uttapyate. Uttapyate. Takara, sakara. And other rule is there, but it can happen. But anyway, as it is, I'm writing. Because Uttapyati. What are the stars tamboho? What sutam? That also I think I taught you.
I think yes, Guruji.
I think you please see the
Remember that.
list. Many things I taught. So there it is the ut, or very particularly stadatu. Udasta stamboho. In fact, one sutram also is there. That is when udda is the when udda followed by, right? Sta or stamba.
Yeah, it is.
Then
18th rule.
sakara, yeah, the sakara will be replaced
Rule
by,
in Karmani Prayoga.
yeah. When sakara, uddhi supasarga, then sta or stamba follows, then purva savarna adeshaha bhavati, where in the place of sakara. The place of sakara, purva savarna adesha. Okay, I'll just make you recall. Putta plus, here we have
You also
stapayati, for
explained about
example.
Dukkagama in that.
That is okay, that is stapi. Yeah, I'm just saying a sandhi, simple sandhi. When uddha is followed by sta or stam, then this sakara of the dhatu sta and stam will be replaced by purva savarna. What is a purva savarna? Huh? Sakara will be replaced by the savarna of the preceding letter. So preceding letter is ta. So ta sakara belongs to tavarga. Tata dadhana. Among the five, which one will replace sakara?
Nakara.
Nakara.
Nakara. Na.
The among the tavarga, five letters of the tavarga, which one will replace takara? The sakara should be replaced by purva savarnaha. Huh?
Only Takar Hasvata. Because the sound, the nasal sound is
No, it's all wrong.
Takara sound.
What are the properties? All those things you learned. What are the properties of sakara? Sakara is. You tell me, what do you know about sakara?
It is sibilant.
Exactly, it is sibilant. Okay, number one. And there is no sibilant in tavarga. So,
Yeah.
fine. So, based on that property, you cannot do the replacement of sakara by tavarga letter.
Yeah.
The sibilant. Okay, then. What else? Is it not a kar letter?
Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, among the tavarga, you have to drop the hash letter. Take only the kar letter. What are the kar letters? What are the kar letters of tavarga?
Ka, cha, tha, tha, pa.
You are not telling. Come on, don't tell the whole thing. Tavarga only we are talking about. Among the 5 letters, what are the kar letters?
Takara.
Takara, Hrasvata.
Come on, huh? No. All these are basics. Yes, basics should be strong. What are the kar letters of tavarga? Tavarga means 2. 5
Tatha.
letters are the. Huh?
Tatha.
Exactly. First and second letter of all the classes are the kar letters, right?
Yes.
Then why kuchu tu pandal? First letter of that class and second letter of that class. Takara and takara. Now, between the two, which one will replace sakara? That is the question. So I've done, narrowed down.
First ta.
Should have some logic behind saying.
Uthapayati. Sakara. Second first.
Sakara is sibilant, which is mahaprana.
Hmm.
Takara, first letter is alpa prana. How can alpa prana replace mahaprana? Purva savana has got no meaning there. To be replaced by corresponding mahaprana letter. So takara will come. Takara will be replaced with takara.
Okay.
Therefore, uthapayati.
Hmm.
After that, another rule is there. This is a jar letter followed by jar, and this is preceded by a hal. This jar can go optionally. Therefore, we have the form uthapayati.
Uthapayati.
So it can uthapayati. Okay. Therefore, basics are not. I don't know whether not known or not remembered. Basics are important. You cannot say not remember. How can you forget ABCD? Well, here also, this is all ABCD. Uttapyate. Uttapyate. Yes. Kaha uttapyate. Kena.
Guruna
Okay.
uthapyate.
Kaha also. Chatraha. Chatra is asked to stand. By
Stand up.
whom?
Guruna.
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 कीदृशः
Ajanan
छात्रः?
Ajanan
अजानन्.
Chatraha.
किं न जानाति? किम् अजानन्?
Uttaram Ajanan.
उत्तरम् अजानन् छात्रः गुरुना उत्थाप्यते.
Chatra.
Last one. That will stop today. Just do some practice. गायन्तं गायकः जनाः प्रशंसन्ति. के प्रशंसन्ति श्लाघन्ते?
Janaha.
कम्?
Gayakam.
Gayakam.
कीदृशः
Gayantam
गायकः?
Gayantam.
गायन् गायकः गायन्तं गायकः गायकम् इति द्वितीय. प्रशंसन्ति कर्मणि would be praपूर्वक
Prashasyate.
shams dhatu becomes prashasyate. कैः?
Janaihi.
Janaihi.
कः? गायकः.
Gayakaha.
Gayakaha.
Gayan Gayakaha.
Gayakam.
कैः? जनैः. जनैः गायन् गायकः
Gayan
प्रशस्यते.
Gayan.
Understand? This is all pullinga, so I think many are there. It's okay, we'll do it. Then we have all are Anuvadam Kurvata. We'll do in the class itself. Then we comes to Strilinga. Chatranta Pullinga summary, and then comes to Strilinga.
This exercise is really helping us, Guruji. It's giving us more
Language. And the language you will have some.
understanding also by doing it this way.
Okay, let's stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Guru Namaha. Harihi Om Samvada.
Dhanyavad, Guruji.
Dhanyavad Guruji.